The evolution of modern warfare, autonomous drones and the future of combat. The battlefield of tomorrow is being shaped today by a revolutionary force that promises to fundamentally transform the nature of warfare: autonomous drones. As artificial intelligence and robotics technology continue to advance at an unprecedented pace, military forces worldwide are increasingly turning to unmanned aerial systems that can operate with minimal human intervention, raising profound questions about the future of combat and the ethical implications of automated warfare. The journey toward autonomous military drones began with simple remotely piloted aircraft, but today's systems represent a quantum leap in capability and complexity. Modern autonomous drones can take off, navigate, identify targets, and land without human intervention, using sophisticated AI algorithms and sensor arrays to make split-second decisions in complex combat environments. This rapid evolution has captured the attention of military strategists, defense contractors, and ethicists alike, all grappling with the implications of machines that can independently decide to use lethal force. The appeal of autonomous drones to military planners is multifaceted. These systems can operate in environments too dangerous for human pilots, maintain constant surveillance without fatigue, and react to threats faster than human operators. They can be deployed in swarms, overwhelming enemy defenses through sheer numbers while minimizing the risk to human personnel. The economic advantages are equally compelling, as autonomous drones can be produced at a fraction of the cost of traditional military aircraft while requiring significantly less maintenance and support infrastructure. Recent conflicts have demonstrated the growing prominence of drone warfare. From the mountains of Afghanistan to the urban battlefields of Syria, unmanned aerial vehicles have proven their worth in reconnaissance, strike missions, and support operations. The success of these deployments has accelerated investment in autonomous capabilities, with major powers racing to develop increasingly sophisticated drone technologies that can operate with greater independence from human controllers. The technological sophistication of modern autonomous drones is staggering. Advanced sensor suites combine visual, infrared, and radar data to create comprehensive situational awareness. Machine learning algorithms process this information in real time, identifying potential threats and targets with increasing accuracy. Navigation systems utilize GPS, inertial guidance, and terrain mapping to operate effectively even in GPS-denied environments. Perhaps most impressively, these systems can communicate and coordinate with each other, forming cooperative networks that can adapt to changing battlefield conditions. However, the rise of autonomous drones has sparked intense debate within military and civilian circles alike. The prospect of machines making life and death decisions raises serious ethical concerns. Questions about accountability, proportionality, and the fundamental nature of human control over lethal force remain contentious issues. International humanitarian law, designed for conventional warfare, struggles to address the unique challenges posed by autonomous weapons systems. The psychological impact of autonomous drone warfare extends beyond the battlefield. Military personnel operating these systems must grapple with a new form of combat experience, one where the line between video game-like interface and lethal reality becomes increasingly blurred. For civilian populations living under drone surveillance, the constant presence of these automated sentinels creates a unique form of psychological stress, knowing that judgment and decisions about their fate may be made by artificial intelligence rather than human beings. The proliferation of autonomous drone technology has also raised concerns about asymmetric warfare and terrorism. As the technology becomes more accessible, non-state actors and terrorist organizations may acquire or develop their own autonomous drone capabilities. This democratization of advanced military technology poses new challenges for security forces and civilian protection, requiring the development of counter-drone systems and defensive strategies. Military strategists are already adapting their doctrines to account for the growing role of autonomous drones. The concept of human-machine teaming has emerged as a key framework, envisioning battlefields where autonomous systems work alongside human forces, each leveraging their unique capabilities. Swarm tactics, where large numbers of relatively simple drones coordinate to achieve complex objectives, are being developed and tested by multiple nations. The industrial and economic implications of autonomous drone warfare are equally significant. A new aerospace and defense ecosystem has emerged, with traditional defense contractors competing with agile tech startups to develop the next generation of autonomous systems. This has spurred innovation in artificial intelligence, sensors, communications, and materials science, with potential spillover benefits for civilian applications. The global race for autonomous drone supremacy has geopolitical implications as well. Nations that achieve technological advantages in this domain may gain significant military and strategic advantages. This has led to increased investment in research and development, as well as efforts to protect sensitive drone-related technologies from espionage and theft. International agreements and arms control treaties are being strained by the rapid advancement of autonomous capabilities. Counter-drone technology has emerged as a critical field in response to the proliferation of autonomous systems. Electronic warfare systems, directed energy weapons, and interceptor drones are being developed to defend against drone threats. The cat-and-mouse game between drone and counter-drone technologies drives continuous innovation in both offensive and defensive capabilities. The environmental impact of autonomous drone warfare presents another dimension of concern. While drones may produce less direct environmental damage than traditional military vehicles, the mass production of disposable drones and the electronic waste they generate could have long-term environmental consequences. Additionally, the acoustic and electromagnetic pollution from drone operations may affect wildlife and civilian populations. Looking to the future, the integration of autonomous drones with other emerging technologies promises to further transform warfare. Quantum computing could enhance drone decision-making capabilities, while advanced materials and propulsion systems could extend their range and effectiveness. The development of artificial general intelligence could lead to even more sophisticated autonomous systems capable of complex strategic planning and adaptation. The legal framework governing autonomous drone warfare continues to evolve. International bodies struggle to define appropriate limits on autonomy in weapons systems while ensuring effective military capabilities. Questions of sovereignty, jurisdiction, and responsibility for autonomous drone actions remain largely unresolved. The development of international norms and standards for autonomous military systems has become an urgent priority. Training and education for military personnel must adapt to the age of autonomous warfare. New skill sets are required to effectively operate and maintain these systems, while tactical and strategic doctrine must evolve to incorporate autonomous capabilities. Military leaders must understand both the potential and limitations of autonomous systems to employ them effectively. Public perception and acceptance of autonomous military drones vary significantly across cultures and contexts. While some see them as a necessary evolution in military technology that saves human lives, others view them as an unethical delegation of lethal force to machines. This debate influences political support for autonomous drone programs and shapes international cooperation in their development and deployment. As we move deeper into the era of autonomous drone warfare, the technology continues to advance faster than our ability to fully understand its implications. The integration of autonomous systems into military operations appears inevitable, but the exact form this integration will take remains uncertain. What is clear is that autonomous drones are fundamentally changing the character of warfare, creating new opportunities and challenges that will shape military strategy and international relations for decades to come.